Hi there, tonight for homework you have 10-5, which is kind of interesting because it's about a scientist who figured out there are actually two different formulas. You'll learn about one right up here and then another one right down here, two different formulas, where scientists have figured out the temperature outside based on how many times a cricket chirps. Very interesting. So what it's going to ask you to do is answer some questions. These two questions are about this formula, and then these questions down here are about this formula, and it's going to just ask you to answer questions by plugging numbers into the formula. The first question says, write a number model for the formula. I'm going to give you a hint. This is a number model. So it's going to look a lot like what's right there. It's easier than you think. It's a number model like what's written right here. Except for instead of writing outside temperature, you're probably going to put a variable, and I do something that makes sense, like T for temperature. T equals, and then this number over here. And instead of writing number of cricket chirps per minute, you want to think of something smaller to write, because that's a lot to write down. Think of a variable. I might use C for crickets. Okay? You'll write that number model down here, and then using the number of 80 chirps, you're going to figure it out by putting the 80 into the number. Okay? Then down here, this is a second formula. This one's a little bit easier. You don't have to do as many different things with math. This may be more accurate. I'm not sure. I'm not a